Hi, this is Jeanette Settembre from the New York Daily News, and we've figured out what's cooler than being cool. GE's new cafe refrigerating series. That's right, don't be skeptical. This bad boy can brew a cup of coffee in a matter of seconds. They've teamed up with Keurig so that you can pop in your K-cup and within minutes have a cup of coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. So let's give it a try. Good morning. So it may not be a cold brew, but there's a latte to like about this coffee making refrigerator. Cheers.